Okay.
Okay.
We're rolling.
We're rolling. Ready? 1, 2, oh, go.
Can you get it again?
Let's watch it for a minute, buddy.
Oh, look it. Watch it go.
There goes the banana boat. Oh, how about a stick, Katie Mae?
No, not a stick.
Oh, no. It's getting away from me. Okay.
We can catch it down here. You want to, Quinn? Go down here and try to catch it?
I got it. You want me to get it now? You let it go?
Uh-oh.
Banana.
Bye-bye, Nana. Oh.
No, I need it. I need it.
You need it now?
Yeah.
Say please.
Because I am right here.
Uh-oh.
Okay, stay in a safe spot. No crawling right there. That's not a good spot. Hi. Go flip over to the alleys and fall down here, okay?
Hey, I can do it again.
The banana wrangler.
You have a camel or I dropped it.
Oh, I have to wait down there?
No, you have a camel.
I don't know.
I don't know the banana game.
I don't either. What's the banana game? Give me the heads
Don't
up.
roll that.
I need to throw this?
No, don't roll the banana.
Oh, you want me to throw the banana?
No, wait. I dropped the banana.
Okay, drop it. Do it. I want to see. 1, 2. Oh, you want me to count? Oh, I was trying to figure out what you want to do. As soon as you start. Okay. There it goes. It's moving. It's actually moving.
It's not.
We're doing it for fun. It's no accident. It's no accident, okay? It's your nana. It's your nana.
See the banana, Papa?
I see. Banana.
Banana's going away.
That's a little money.
It's gone.
Indian
There's a hole in those boots. Hey, you know what? You could put the banana in the other side, maybe, and watch it come out of that, and it could fall out.
That's a good idea.
Let's be very careful. Let's walk this way. I'll show you what to do. This is where I want you to put it in. Over here, and I think it might be this.
Oh, good.
Oh, there it goes. We gotta hurry. Let's look right here.
Careful.
No, not down there. Oh, God.
Don't run with sticks.
Where'd the banana go? Did it get stuck?
I hope.
Oh, there he is. Yay, banana.
I can get the banana. I'm right here.
I don't know if anybody's get the banana. I think it's starting to get a...
Banana.
Let's not do that.
Pretty.
Banana.
Let's not do that. That scares Auntie Katie.
Banana.
Mad if you fell and bonked your head.
Yay!
Mikey says he's going to go give his gift to his girlfriend.
Oh,
I told him, I said, I want to meet her. He goes, you would.
you will.
I bet I would. She looks like a very nice girl.
What happened?
Oh, no.
I got the banana.
It's gone. Mimi.
Let's place up here to do it, too.